Okay, what do we have today?
You know, it's kind of shocking to see how many electronic components go into a modern vehicle. It's also shocking each time one of those modules is connected. Literally shocking, as in ESD. These ESD events can destroy components, which is why AVX ESD-Safe capacitors are utilized on nearly all I/O pins that are connected to a wiring harness. ESD-Safe multi-layer ceramic capacitors have ESD ratings up to 30 kilovolts in small footprint packages that make them ideal for high-density designs. They're AEC Q200 qualified and rated for minus 55 degrees C to positive 125 degrees C operating temperatures, while optional flexitherm terminations enhance mechanical flexure and temperature cycling performance. The capacitors are offered from 4.7 nanofarads to 2.2 microfarads, and with a voltage rating up to 100 volts, so designers can select a capacitor that fits their application requirements while minimizing signal distortion.